Hey guys, what's going on? So we got a comment maybe a week ago or so, and I thought it was a really good question. It's not trick tip. It's not actually skating. It's kind of more related to my experiences from skating and what I've learned. And the question was, what are 5 things that I've learned from skateboarding? So I've got a lot that I've learned with skateboarding. I've been doing it since 1997, and what is it, 2023 now? So it's been a while, and it's taught me a lot of things. It's given me so much. That's why we love doing these videos, to kind of, if I can reach out to any of you guys and help you out with a trick or just bring joy through content, me and Enzo having fun messing around, it's all worth it. It's kind of me paying back of all what skateboarding has given to me in life. So yeah, the 5 things I've learned from skateboarding. Number 1 is that you will spend a lot of money on shoes. Footwear is something that you go through more than boards, more than trucks, more than wheels. So shout out to mom and dad when I was a kid, all the times buying me shoes, telling me, keep these ones nice, even though I knew I was gonna go in the streets and try kick flips, ollies, all the tricks, and shred right through them. So definitely you're gonna be spending a lot on shoes, but it seems like now there's a lot more variety of shoes. Back then, kind of the skate shoes that ran the industry, there wasn't as many, so I felt like they can charge a higher price back then. But now there's a lot more options, so I think it is a lot more affordable. But I did learn that, especially when parents weren't funding it anymore, and it was my responsibility, if I wanted to keep skating, to buy the shoes, boards, everything included. So yeah, that would be number 1. Something number 2 is skateboarding can humble you real fast. And what I mean by that is, yeah, I've been skating for a long time, but it's still a pretty dangerous activity. There's people my age that I grew up with that we used to skate, and they kind of faded away. They're still fans of it, and their excuse always why I say, hey, we should skate. Oh, I don't want to get hurt. And I used to think about that like, oh man, come on, let's skate. But no, it is a dangerous activity, and I still fall. Enzo has clips of me falling, and yeah, it's a little harder when you get older because you don't recover as fast, but it's kind of like a life lesson to always be vigilant, always be focused. You want to be doing this with a clear mind, and just making sure that you can see what's going to happen before it happens, to kind of make changes to adjusting conditions, or make the necessary steps to get out of a trick so you don't get hurt, or just to be super focused. So I'd say that, yeah, it will humble you. So you still will fall. There's nobody, you look up any pros that don't fall still or have some slip ups. It happens. So I've learned that. I've had a lot of injuries throughout skateboarding, but I've always come back, and thankfully I can still ride my board today at my age. So number 3, another thing I learned is that you'll meet some of the coolest people. Some of my lifelong friends I met through skateboarding, and still friends. Some of them don't even skateboard anymore, but if it wasn't for skateboarding, I wouldn't have come in contact with them. I've met some of you guys through Yokaher, like our whole family hub community, the little kind of hub we're building with social media and just everybody sharing their experiences. I've met a couple of you, and that's been amazing. Me and Enzo actually met through Yokaher, and he's one of my best friends. So I got a lot of positive interactions with people through skateboarding, and I'll forever be grateful for that. So number 4, the 4th thing that I've learned skateboarding. Let's see. It's helped me stay dedicated, and you guys see doing tricks, if you're starting off or learning a new trick, it's a process. You're not gonna get it, like I've said in the videos, you're not gonna get it the first try. If you do, that's amazing. You just cut a bunch of steps, but usually a lot of tricks take hours, days, sometimes weeks. I've worked on tricks going to the park every day. Example, when I learned frontside Smith grind, kickflip out, it took me going to the park every night after work and trying it on the ledge at a park down the street. I would try every night, get a little closer, little closer, little closer, and then land on one, slip out, and you're like, oh, it's possible. Then all of a sudden it clicks. But you can utilize those skills in real life too, whether it be in like your workforce, family, or any project you have. Just don't give up. And I think that skateboarding has instilled that within my life, and it's actually helped me with many opportunities that I've come across. Am I perfect at everything? No, perfect at nothing. Am I good at everything? No, I wouldn't say, but some things I've excelled because I've stuck to it. And I believe that skateboarding instilled that to me when I was a young child, just learning how to skate and not giving up. So you stick to things, good outcomes will be at the end of the line. That's what I think. And I think skateboarding has definitely showed me that. So, all right, the fifth one. Let's see. The last thing that I've learned through skateboarding. Oh, this is a perfect one. So when I was younger, we're talking like 10, 12, junior high, my thought was I want to become a pro skateboarder. That was on my radar. I wanted to do it. So, you know, I excelled. I got better and better and better at it just by putting in the time with it. But something I learned along the way is, you know, it doesn't matter if you go pro or not. It's all about having fun. The best time that I had skateboarding is probably the last couple years because it's all fun. I don't skate in contests. I have skated in contests way back, but it didn't pan out, and just my life took a different path. But what I can say is I've learned not focusing on something like that so excessively will actually make things more fun. If you are destined to have a career in skateboarding and you rise to like kind of that echelon of being a professional skateboarder, I'd say just let it happen. Have fun. Keep that in the back of your mind. Just have fun. Skate with your friends. And if it's going to happen, it's going to happen. I know it's a lot different now how people get discovered than when I was a kid. Back then, people would film video parts and put them on a VHS tape. I don't know if a lot of you know what a VHS tape is, but it's like a Nintendo Switch game, but giant, that you have to use on a VCR. If you guys don't know, ask your parents. I'm sure they'll tell you all about it. But now everything is on social media. What we do, we put it on social media because it's easy to get to a wider audience, to you guys, and to help you guys out. So I would say just go out, have fun with your friends, film clips, throw them up on your social media. And if it's destined to go to like the next level, somebody will contact you. Everybody's always looking for new talent and just kind of people that are pushing the limits of our sport. So yeah, those are 5 things. I've definitely learned a lot more than 5 things through my skateboarding journey, I'll call it. But those are the ones that stick out to me the most. And yeah, we just like to thank you guys for watching these, as well as coming up with this question for me to answer. I really enjoy these kind of segments that we do because it's kind of like a little nostalgia thing. I get to kind of take a trip in my mind back to when I was a kid and kind of makes me realize what's really important, and it's just still being on the board after all these years and having fun with my friends and yeah, just continuing to make friendships and memories. So thank you guys so much. You guys know the drill. Stay subscribed to our YouTube channel. Go to our website, check out all the new product, follow us on Instagram, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. We have new videos coming out every week. And if you have any requests for any other future videos, you know where to find us.